My name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. How do you add members from the admin end to your website? Let me show you. There are a couple of ways that you can do this. We're going to go to My Members and search members. And you can add members manually just by clicking on the green button just here. And you can see with this pop-up box that you can then select things like the membership plan that you want the person to go into, the email address. You can create a password for them. You can add their name, the company, phone number, and then you can assign them a top level category. You can also decide as well if you want them to register as a company or individual. So these are the settings just that are available within your member dashboard under search members, but you've also got another setting called import members. So if you click on import members, again, you can do the same thing. This loads up the same form if you're adding a single member, or you can use the import CSV file to upload members to your website. So you can just simply have that file ready, ensuring the variables meet the variables on your website, and then you can upload that form to your website, which is a really good tool if you're uploading a bulk of members to your new website. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.